Race number 13, final race for tonight, Sunday, here on the SLLB. Dynamite is acting. Stand by. Yes, and gas is started. We have Dynamic Jason first to show quickness at the start. Royal Rose is running by Daryl. Troublemaster comes next. Mighty Might down on the inside. Come Extreme Power Fighting Jack. Alongside now is Express Strike, Canta Libre, Queen's Gold, Doña Gelay, Noble and Nice, Zone of the Wind, Mucho Macho, second last, while Bronte is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Mighty Might running by Daryl is Royal Rose. Dynamic Jason comes next. Moving up on the outside now is Troublemaster, Extreme Power. Alongside is Fighting Jack. Queen's Gold comes next. Doña Gelay, Express Strike, Noble and Nice, Canta Libre, Sound of the Wind, Mucho Macho, second last. While Bronte is still racing in 14th. And on the fourth turn, we have Royal Rose, Viral Link, Eddie Hapa. Moving up on the outside now is Troublemaster. Dynamic Jason is down on the inside. In the middle portion now is entry number 2, Extreme Power, Fighting Jack like twice now, closing, and Doña Gelay comes next. Mighty Might moving up on the outside. Express Strike, Zone of the Wind, and Diana entering the home stretch. We have Extreme Power, and on the outside, Fighting Jack. Dynamic Jason is down on the inside. We have Extreme Power this time by about 3 lengths, followed by Dynamic Jason, Fighting Jack, Royal Rose, and nearing the finish line we have Extreme Power followed by Dynamic Jason, and finally it's Extreme Power. Second is Dynamic Jason, Troublemaster, Fighting Jack, Doña Gelay, and Mighty Might.